Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, we're going to go over how to remove the door panel on your 2013 Ford Focus. On this Ford Focus, the way to remove the door panel, or what we would want to start with, I talked about it before, is I've come up with the measurement that this needs to be about 5.5 to 6 inches high off the top here of the window. And that way when you get this door panel off, you don't need to do anything else by hooking anything back up to raise and lower the window, because we're going to go over how you remove that also. But first we'll start with taking out the door panel. And so to get the door panel removed, we need to pop this cover off. Just pop the clips, pull this up, and set that aside. And then we've got two small screws here. I don't know exactly what the size is of these screws. I just know that I'm just using an E8 thing. It's one of the star bits. It happens to work. A regular 8mm doesn't work on it. At least when I was trying, it's too big. 7mm too small, and anything in between. So that's what works. And now down here on the bottom, there are two screws also, and those 7mm. Remove those. And with all of that, with those removed, then you can take your prying tool and get in between here. To be able to pry the pins that are holding it all together. Oh, I forgot one thing. So up in here is a bolt. That's a size 10. Just pop that cover, undo this bolt. So now you just kind of pop it up. And then you can be able to get back in here and undo some electrical connectors and the lever for that. Okay, so this lever here, what you need to do is you need to pull there's a tab here. I've got a good picture of it, but you got to pull a tab here on the back, and if you pull the handle from the front a little bit, then you can pull this back and remove that. And then over here, we've got an electrical connector that goes to the door locks and the speaker. And then this is for the door lock indicator right here. So that's all been removed. And now we can go ahead and do some other work in here. So that's how you remove the door panel. Now if you need to, this is the switch for the for locking the doors, right? So if you just need to replace that, you would just squeeze the clips on the back here and pull it out, unhook, and then put it back in and hook the power back up if that had went bad. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.